Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are combining the warm, edged character of salvaged copper with the rich, darker beauty of walnut to create industrial style, luxury craft and home decor. The secret is not hiding the edge of the material. It's actually making those imperfections part of the design. The edge copper brings character while the walnut adds warmth and sophistication. Together, they create a look that feels both industrial and elegant. And because they are working with smaller pieces of wood and salvaged materials, this style can be especially interesting for makers who want to create attractive products without starting with expensive new materials. Start with the materials. The first step is finding suitable copper pipe and walnut pieces. Look through your workshop for clean, suitable copper section and walnut offcuts. The copper does not need to be looked brand new. In fact, some natural edge can make the finished piece even more interesting. Walnut is also a fantastic material for this style because of its rich color and beautiful grain. Before using reclaimed materials, inspect them carefully and remove anything damaged, contaminated, or unsafe. Clean the copper without removing its character. Old copper can have years of oxidation and discoloration on its surface. You don't necessarily need to make it look brand new. Actually, cleaning can remove dirt and unwanted buildup while leaving some of the natural character behind. That aged appearance is part of what gives industrial decor its personality. The goal is to make the material look intentionally rather than neglected. Prepare the walnut. Now let's move to the wood. Small walnut offcuts can be incredibly valuable for projects like this. Look for pieces with attractive grain and enough thickness for the design. Remove damaged area and smooth the surface carefully. The more attention you give the wood, the more luxurious the finished product can look. Let walnut become the main feature. Walnut has a natural sophistication appearance. Its deep brown color creates a beautiful contrast against copper. Instead of covering the grain with unnecessary decoration, let the natural pattern become part of the design. A simple shape can actually make beautiful walnut look even more impressive. Combine warm wood with edged metal. This is where the project really starts to come together. Imagine a dark walnut base with copper pipe run through or around it. The contrast is immediate. They can have the warmth of natural wood, the edged character of metal, and the clean shape of the modern furniture. This combination can create a style that feels rustic, industrial, and luxurious at the same time. Create small industrial candle holders. One simple project idea is a copper and walnut candle holder. A walnut base can provide stable foundation while copper becomes a decorative structure. For safety, keep open flames and heat safely away from combustible wood and copper components that could become hot. Add LED candle can also create a similar atmosphere with less fire risk. Make a modern plant stand. The copper pipe and walnut can also become a stylish plant stand. The walnut can form the base of platform. Copper can create a supporting structure. Add a beautiful plant and suddenly a few workshop leftover become a striking piece of home decor. Make sure the finished stand is stable and suitable for the intended weight. Build a small side table. If you have enough suitable material, fix that area further and create a compact side table. A walnut tabletop combined with a copper frame can look incredibly sophisticated. The design does not need complicated decoration, lets the material do the talking. Strong construction and good proportion are what makes the finished piece feel professional. Create an industrial wall shelf. Another exciting idea is a wall-mounted shelf. Use walnut for the shelf surface and copper pipe as part of the support or decorative structure. The combination works especially well in living room, kitchen, office, and creative workspace. Just make sure The wall attached and support system are properly designed for the intended load. Make a copper and walnut disc organizer. Small walnut piece can become useful piece accessory. Add copper section to create place for pencil, notebook, phone, or other lightweight items. This is a great example of turning a tiny amount of scrap metals into something useful. And because the finished object sits on a disk, the details are easy for people to notice. Create a modern bookend. A thick piece of walnut can become a beautiful bookend. Add a small copper accent to give it an industrial personality. Make a matching pair and suddenly you have a simple but premium looking disc or bookshelf accessory. Build a jewelry or accessory stand. Copper pipe can also be used to create a simple display structure. Combine it with a walnut base. You can have a place for jewelry, watch, or other small accessories. The natural material can make the organized feel more like decor than ordinary storage. Create small entryway organizer. Think about everyday objects that needs a home. Key, sunglass, wallets, small accessories. A walnut base combined with copper hooks or support can become a stylish entryway organizer. It solves a real problem while also decorating the wall. Try copper pipe towel holder. A copper pipe can make a beautiful towel holder than properly cleaned and securely mounted. Add a walnut mounted block or shelf and you are creating a practical bathroom or kitchen accessory. Just remember that humid areas require appropriate materials, finishes, and mounting methods. Make a toilet paper holder. Even ordinary household hardware can become attractive when the design is thoughtful. A simple copper holds with a walnut accent can create a distinctive bathroom detail. Small details like this can help create a consistent industrial luxury theme throughout a room. Create a wine bottle holders. A walnut and copper are also a natural combination for entertaining decor. Create a compact wine bottle holder using walnut base and carefully secure copper support, while the rich wall mount can give it a premium appearance while the copper adds a handcrafted industrial touch. Make sure the bottle is securely supported before using the holder. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which countryside you are watching us from. If you love the decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY loving family and friends, and let's inspire more people to create something beautiful with their hands. Build this lamp base. Copper pipe can become part of a unique lamp design when combined with a walnut base. The wood provides warmth while the metal gives the lamp an industrial personality. If you create functional electric lights using appropriate electrical components and follow local electrical safety requirements rather than improvisation connections. Create a decorative wall sculpture. You don't always have to make something functional. Copper pipe and walnut can also become purely decorative art. Arrange the materials into geometric shapes or following floor forms. Keep the composition simple. Sometimes a single strong shape can become the focal point of an entire wall. Experiment with different copper finishes. Copper naturally changes over time. You can keep its edged appearance. You can polish selected area or contrast, or you can create a combination of bright and edged surface. The important thing is consistency. Makes the finish look like a deliberate design choice. Highlights the contrast. One of the biggest strengths of this metal combination is contrast. Dark walnut against warm copper, smooth wood against textured metal, natural grain against clean industrial shape. The consistent make even a simple object visually interesting. Keep the shapes simple. Here is a useful design rule. Don't try to make every part complicated. If the materials already have a strong character, simple shape can often look better. Straight lines, clean curve, balanced proportion, minimal decoration. This allows the walnut and the copper to become the star of the project. Great matching collections. Once you have developed a style you like, think up beyond a single product. Create a matching collections, a wall shelf, a candle holder, a desk organizer, a plant stand, a bookend, a side table. Now, the individual product can work together as a complete design style. Make small products first. If you are testing this idea as a business, start small. Small decor piece requires less material and can be easier to produce. Make a few samples, photograph them, show them to the potential customer, see which design receives the most interest, then focus your effort on the product people actually want. Make the product look premium. Premium does not always mean expensive material. It can come from attention to detail, smooth wood, clean copper, carefully finished edge, secure connection, good proportion, consistent finishing, and professional presentation. These details can make a huge difference. Offer different size. One design can become several products, small, medium, large. Different size allow customers to choose what fits their space. You can also experiment with different walnut shape and copper arrangement. Offer customers design. Handmade products become even more interesting when customers request something personal. Consider custom dimension, finishes, or simple design variation. Just keep customization within what you can produce consistently and safely. Don't waste the small pieces. After making a large project, you may still have tiny piece of walnut left. Don't automatically throw them away. Small offcuts can become hook holders, handlers, accent posters, organizers, or decorative pieces. This is where the creativity team can turn workshop waste into additional products. Turn scrap into design advantage. The best and the biggest lesson from this entire idea is simple. The scrap does not have to look like scrap. With the right combination of materials, an old copper pipe can become a design feature. A walnut offcut can become a premium looking vase, and a simple workshop project can become something that feels completely at home in a modern interior. The business opportunities. If you are making these pieces to sell, remember that you are not simply selling wood and copper. You are selling design, craftsmanship, function, and the story behind the materials. Calculate your materials cost, consider your time, include finishing and packaging costs. Then set a price that reflects the actual work involved. Don't automatically price handmade wood like mass-produced products. Your customers is buying something unique and made with care. The sustainable side. There are also something satisfying about giving discarded materials a second life. Instead of sending suitable salvage straight to the waste field, you are finding another purpose for it. That's one of the most exciting things about creating woodworking. You are not just making objects, you are seeing potential where people see waste at the end. So the next time you find an old copper pipe or a small piece of walnut in your workshop, don't dismiss it too quickly. Look at the shape, look at the color, look at the texture, and ask yourself what could these two materials become together: a shelf, a lamp, a plant stand, a table, or perhaps something completely new. This beauty of this style is that there is not one correct design. You can experiment, you can make it modern, you can make it rustic, you can make it minimalist, or you can create your own signature look. Remember, luxury is often created through thoughtful design rather than expensive materials. If you enjoy this transformation, like the video, subscribe the channel, and turn on the notification bell. bill for more reclaimed materials projects, woodworking idea, DIY decor, and creative furniture inspiration. And tell us in the comments what would you make from old copper pipe and scrap walnut. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, and remember, before you throw something away, look at it one more time. It might be the beginning of your next great design. Until then, see you in the next video.